Tired of cluttered kitchen drawers filled with countless measuring cups? Imagine replacing all those mismatched tools with one sleek, adjustable measuring cup that handles everything from liquids to semi-solid ingredients like honey and peanut butter. The KitchenArt Professional Series 2-Cup Adjust-A Cup offers just that, an all-in-one solution that makes measuring effortless and keeps your kitchen neat. I've been using this adjustable cup for weeks now, and it's quickly become my go-to kitchen gadget. The beauty is in its simplicity. Just pull the plunger down to the exact measurement you need, whether it's in cups, ounces, pints, or milliliters. The clear outer sheath with easy-to-read markings makes conversions and doubling recipes straightforward. Plus, it's crafted from durable, food-safe ABS and sand plastic with a soft silicone seal, finished in an elegant champagne satin that feels as good as it looks on the counter. What really stands out is how much space it saves. Instead of juggling multiple cups, you get a single tool that adjusts from 1/8 cup up to 2 cups. It's perfect for measuring everything from dry ingredients like flour to sticky ones like shortening or butter. And if you're worried about wear and tear, rest assured, the markings have held up beautifully after multiple washes, and the sturdy design resists everyday bumps and drops. Cleaning is simple too. Just hand wash with warm, soapy water and dry immediately to keep it in top shape. Measuring 3.5 by 3.5 by 6 inches, it fits comfortably in your hand and won't take up extra room in your cabinets. Whether you're a casual cook or a serious baker, this tool streamlines your prep time and keeps your kitchen organized. If you're ready to stop juggling multiple measuring cups and want a reliable, space-saving tool that handles all your ingredient needs, the KitchenArt Professional Series 2-Cup Adjust-A Cup is worth a look. It's designed to make your cooking easier, faster, and more precise, without sacrificing style or durability. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen routine.